Yo, what is good? I am Richie Kim and welcome back to another video on Richie Revs. Today we are going to HRE's open house. Apparently they have this annually, so I've never been, but you know, I love their wheels, and a lot of high-end and like just really awesome cars have their wheels on it, and they're going to be showcasing, you know, a bunch of the cars that do have some HREs. I think they're going to be also showcasing some that don't. But yeah, I pretty much, you know, I'm guessing that this is going to be like a big, basically a car meet. So yeah, I mean, it should be really exciting. It's all the way in Vista, which is near San Diego, if you all aren't aware. But yeah, it's a little bit of a drive from, you know, Orange County, but should be fun. I'm going down with a couple of buddies. So we have a Cayman up in the front. That's Truvy. He came on a Canyon drive the other day. He was in one of the videos. We got a V right in front of us in the S2K. Yeah, I mean, he's done a lot to it. If you guys hear like a loud car, it's probably this car. And then we got Rex in the back. He's in an Acura. He got it on bags. So yeah, I mean, it should be pretty fun. We'll see if like anything interesting happens on the drive down. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, like, you know, we're just cruising down, having some fun, and gonna see some cool stuff, hopefully. All right, so we pulled up. We had to park really freaking far. There's a lot of cars here, even like this far. I mean, look at that GTR. Got some Porsches over here. I don't know, let's see what we see. Let's see. On the way up. Supra. Another Cayman. JD boys.
Like crazy on the highway.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I can hear it. I'm like, what the fuck? Because like, I usually can't hear my homie's car, but I heard yours.
Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, I mean, my thing's not stock, so.
On this one right here.
What?
What's the review on this car? I think the paint color could be a little more creative.
Oh, yeah? You don't like black?
Yeah, awful.
I know, black cars are the worst, right?
Yeah.
Just like that Cayman down there.
I just can't stand looking at them.
Lambos parked on the side of the road. NSX on the side of the road. Bro, they have a Tesla booth here. Dude, that's the car. That's so nice.
At the silent auction is a tax-deductible charitable donation. So every dollar that you...
Bro. Yo, this F80 CS, so clean.
I'm thinking about coming in. I know, I saw.
Dude, the wheels look sick. I mean, come on, it's a CS. But like, this color, honestly, this color combination with these HREs, dude, it's so nice. This is one of my like favorite builds here. I don't know who you are, but you have a sick fucking car, dude. Yo, this Golf R looks, it's kind of crazy too, though. Got the Lambos, McLarens, more Lambos. Ooh. Jada gang. Clarence. 3RS chilling. Damn. RS6, oh my god. People hate on wagons, but this is so clean. Look at the Supra. Another Supra. Look at the NSX. Oh my god. Another NSX. Yo, it's so clean. Oh my god, another Supra. This R8 is clean. Dude, all the builds here are really, really nice. I love these cars. This is clean too. Oh damn, I've definitely seen this before. I have for sure seen this one before. Yeah, this is nice. Damn.
Yeah, I guess.
Ooh, even it's pretty clean too. Yo. This is something. It's cool, but it's definitely something. Bowden brought out the big ones. Damn, dude. Damn. Crazy. It's actually crazy. Dude, look at that. TJ Hunt's GT3. Got the Adro cars over there, but yeah, I mean, this is dope too. Man, every time I see the Adro kit, it just makes me think, like, should I get it? But I kind of stick with what I said before. I think it only really looks good on the M4. Like, I think because, you know, I have 4 doors, it just kind of ruins the proportions of the car because the Adro does make the front look a little longer. But I mean, yeah, I mean, it's still dope, you know. I don't know. Maybe I will pull the trigger and get one. I'm still debating. But the Adro M2 is looking good. I know they're working on like a front bumper and everything for it right now, and I think the rear as well. But I mean, right now it still looks really, really nice. It'll only look better once they're fully done. So besides all the cars, I mean, we're allowed in the warehouse. We can like check it out. Dude, look at all these. They have everything here. I mean, obviously this is their freaking headquarters and warehouse, but this is dope. I mean, I think, oh, you can see a machine actually like doing something to a wheel right now. I don't know what's going on, but it's pretty cool to just see like the overall process. Like, let's go. Damn. So clean. Alright, so saw everything, saw a little bit of like what they do inside, saw a bunch of sick cars. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna go grab some food now. Maybe it Phil's barbecue or poke, we'll see. But that's pretty much it. I might record again in the car, but if not, thank you all for watching. If I do, then yeah, I'll talk to you again.